In this video, I would like to show you how to convert fractions to percents. We will do some examples and I think you'll have enough practice. Then I'll give you some worksheet to do. Alright, so let's start by the first one. Fraction is, for example, here 1/2 and we want to convert it to percent. If you remember in the previous video, I said percent means out of 100, right? So to have the fraction to look like a percent, you need to make the denominator, this number down here, to make it 100. That's what we want. So now, how do we make this 2 to be 100? We multiply the 2 by 50, right? If we multiply it by 50, it's be 100. So we multiply this by 50. And if we do that, we need to multiply this also by 50. It's not fair. So we multiply both by 50. Now 1 times 50 is 50. So it's 50 out of 100, which is 50%. And we finished with that one. So what you need to do is you need to have the denominator to be 100. Now let's look at another example. 2/5 here. To make 2/5 to be 100, we need the 5 to be 100. So how do we do that? How do we make this 5 to be 100? We multiply by 20, because 5 times 2 is 10, so 5 times 20 is 100. So we multiply here also by 20. So it's going to be 40, because 2 times 2 is 4, and then add 0. So it's 40%. That's very good. Did you get it though? Did you understand it? Right, now let's look at another example. 3/4. How do you make this to be percent? We do the same thing. We need the fraction to be 100, the denominator. Now, make this to be 100. So how do you make 4 to be 100? It's 4 times 25. But what if you don't know? If you don't know, do 100 divided by 4. So how many times 4 goes into 10? It goes 2 times. What's the leftover? 2. Bring it to this 0. So how many times 4 goes into 20? 5 times. So it's 25. Then, if you multiply down here by 25, you multiply up there by 25 also. So 4 times 100, 4 times 25 is 100, 3 times 25 is 75. So it's 75%. How easy. Did you get it? Now, let's look at another example. 9/10. This is a nice one. So we need the denominator to be 100. What I will do is I'll multiply 10 by 10 to make it 100, and then I multiply 9 by 10. So it's going to be 9 times 10, which is 90, and 10 times 10 is 100. So we convert it to percent. It's just 90%. This means percent, so it's 90%. Now 5 over 25. In the example above, we knew 4 times 25 is 100. So that means 25 times 4 is 100, and we multiply here by 4 also. 5 times 4 is 20. 25 times 4 is 100. So it's 20 out of 100, which is 20%. You got it. Do you get it? Now I'll do this one, and the last one is yours. Alright, so let's look at this. 7 out of 20. So how do we make the 20 to be 100? We multiply by what to make this 100? I don't know. So we divide 100 by 20 to know the answer. So this 0 cancels that 0, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. That means we multiply by 5. 20 times 5 is 100. 7 times 5 is 35. So it's 35%. Did you get it? Did you understand it? If you do, please try this, convert it to percent, and comment your answer. And that's all for this video. Check the comment section and check the description. There is a worksheet there for you to do. That's all. Bye.